Alright guys, this is an EdenPURE simple problem. It was brought to me to be worked on because, look at that, she got way too hot and burnt the end of the cord. So we've got to put a new cord in. I've already pulled the screws out. There's only 4 of them right here in the back. So you'll pull that back off. You'll take this loose, and here's your cord running into the power panel. You're going to have to cut these. Luckily this one, the ground, has a Phillips screw you can pull out. Okay, to rejoin the pieces you'll need this, and that to put onto your new cord when you put your new cord on. Those are the tools you'll want right there, and a Phillips screwdriver. You attach your new cord, put her back together. She's ready to roll.